Hey everyone, this is Scott Specker, 5-Star Painting of Cumming. It's exterior season, it's springtime, it's time to paint your house. We'd like to highlight this beautiful house right here. It actually was updated in the farmhouse look. It went white with the dark trim. Excellent decision, very bold. What they did here is they went with two colors that actually went well together. Very important to know. One, you got to choose the right white because it can be too bright, and you have to have a trim that actually goes with it and is in the same family. They did a fantastic job here. I would recommend this, and also I would make sure that you use the right paint as well, because the dark colors can absorb the heat quite a lot, and you can get a lot of bubbling. You've decided that the white siding and dark trim is too much on the outside. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the inside. We went with black magic on all of the doors and all of the trim, and we went with rhinestone on the walls. It's a great contrast. It makes it very bright and airy, and it picked up the colors from the floor very well. If you're interested in a quote, give us a call.